Hello, this is Chef Sarah from SarahLovesFoodWishes.com with Cup Noodles. That's right, I'm going to show you my take on the classic broke college kid struggle meal. And when I say broke college kid, I really mean anybody. I mean, have you seen food prices lately? So you really want to have a stash of cup noodles, or cup ramen as they call it in Japan, tucked away for when times are hard, which is now. Anyway, to get started, the first thing we'll do is peel back that paper top. And we don't want to pull it back all the way. I like to pull it back just halfway. All right, just to that dotted line, if your cup top has one of those. And as you can hear, it's crispy dry. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Anyway, once our cup is prepped, it's time to head to the stove to boil our water. Now, if you're in the UK, you'll do this in an electric kettle and feel all superior about it. But I'm not in the UK, and I already have this perfectly good teapot, so that's what I'm going to use. Just turn the burner on high, watch it come to a boil, and then pour it slowly onto the dehydrated soup. And here I like to give it the old tap-a-tap to make sure the water goes all the way to the bottom of the cup. I'm seasoning it here with some freshly ground black pepper and a few shakes of cayenne, but season it as you'd like. I mean, you are, after all, the tuxedo kamen of how to season your cup ramen. And this next step is crucial, and this is where a lot of people go wrong. You have to cover your lid. Okay, some people just use the moisture from the top paper, but I found that doesn't always stick. So just for a little extra insurance, I always like to add a hot pad to weigh it down. So that's exactly what I did. And that's it. Once my noodles hydrated for 3 minutes, I removed the paper, and my cup noodles were ready to enjoy. So after taking a few contractually obligated photos, I grabbed a fork and I dug in. And that, my friends, is a perfect struggle meal. Okay, the way the overly salty broth plays with the rubbery noodles, it just satisfies a certain craving that no properly prepared meal could. And while not very filling, a cup noodles will tide you over until you can afford to eat something better. So whether you're feeling peckish or having trouble making rent this month, I really hope you'll give it a try soon. So please follow the links below for the ingredient amounts, a printable written recipe, and much more info as usual. And as always, enjoy.